last time I seen you was Mafia-thon 3.
Yes.
And now you are here.
Dude, I'm so stoked.
Be great. Talk to all the students. Mingle. Go crazy.
Okay. Do you want me to set up in your room? Or
you can set up anywhere on campus. Okay. You got your drums? You can set up outside when the sun rising. They can intro your stuff with it. You know what I'm saying? Go crazy. Okay. Right, but I know when the southern.
I see that look in your eye, boy.
Come on, bro. People gotta go to sleep. If you get too crazy, I'm coming to your.
Dude, I have one skill, which is like keeping you awake and keeping everybody awake. You don't want me to do that?
No. If you're doing it too much, you don't have to come to my
do
office.
That 24/7. Keep me awake,
your fucking
boy.
roommate. I feel bad for them. Holy shit. All right,
Thanks, man.
Later, bro.
Love you, dog.
Wow. That's a W. Nigga said that's a W. All right, we had a few more students left. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. Chat, I ain't gonna lie. Gio! Hey, now listen. After this, you ain't gonna abandon Ray, huh?
Nah, I'm a real nigga.
I bet.
I told Ray, you gotta fire me for me to quit.
You know what's crazy? Yo, Ray talked to me about. He was like, hey, he love what you got going on, and he love you.
Yeah, yo.
Hey, listen,
Can I get a hug?
Oh yeah, come on, Gio. Bring it in.
It's been like how long?
Man, how long, bro? Yeah. Here. All right, where can they find you, Gio?
YNLGEO.
YNLGEO. Here, I'm not gonna waste your time no more. Go.
I love you.
I love you too, bro.
I love you.
I love you too, bro. I love you, gang. I love you, gang. Hey, don't be fucking around on my campus.
Love you, my daddy.
My daddy. Love you, my daddy. Love you, my daddy. Did he just say love you, my daddy? Is you dead ass? Y'all heard that, right? Suburb, just what they said? Suburb clowning. Suburb flying your shit. Suburb just said fuck you. Oh my God. Yo, I knew he was going to be a problem, bro. I knew Suburb was going to be a fucking problem, gang. I fucking knew it, gang. I fucking knew he was going to be a problem, gang. I fucking knew it, bro. Keep snitching. Y'all tell me everything, bro. I fucking knew it, bro. Let me go ahead. Hold on. I knew it, bro. They robbing people? What? Bro. Agent throwing a party?
Now what the hell is going on?
Love. How you feeling?
Hungry.
Okay, dinner's right now. Let's get him good. Let's get him right. But you know that was the food at. Zaxby's everywhere. There's late night cereal, and the cafeteria is serving dinner right now.
I ain't trying to hear all that.
I don't want to waste your time. I know.
I'm basketball.
Everything you gonna find out on your app.
If I'm not, who gonna get fucked up?
Suburb baby, fuck him up.
No, Dean Sinat.
No, not me.
Dean Sinat is gonna be fucked up.
Okay, Ruler, no.
I'm just letting you know.
Stream right now, Ruler. Stream right now, Ruler. Chat. Facts or not? This lineup is crazy. Facts or bro? I ain't gonna lie. I think we cooked up all around. Like, bro, I'm not gonna lie. This is a stacked. Davis.
Hey.
Hold on.
Hey.
I like this outfit.
Thank you, man.
You go leather on the pants?
Leather pants,
Okay.
tabby on the shoes.
Okay.
This is a big ass office, man.
So you ain't gonna be fucking around on my campus. It's gonna be good.
What? No.
No fireworks.
No fireworks, nigga. This is nice, gang. I'm gonna respect this, I'm gonna respect this, gang.
Okay, I like that. All right, let's get Davis. I don't want to waste your time no more.
Please don't.
Here you go.
I want to stream. You know?
My bad, gang.
Yeah, I want to stream.
Outfits, brother.
I need those
you got a
videos, though.
Glock
Yeah,
on you?
I'll sing a pair.
I got your gun?
Yeah,
Do you really have a gun in your pocket?
Thank you.
Oh,
Yes.
my bad. I'm tripping. Wait, am I?
Later, gang. Yeah, let's dap me up, nigga. Dap me up, nigga. Don't use that, do not be a troublemaker, bro. I know how you get.
What the fuck you on?
I know how you get, gang. How old am I?
It's Birdie telling
You're literally 26.
Exactly.
Okay, all right.
Whatever.
All right. They fighting. Oh my God. Bro, it's fucking raining outside. Nigga, that's not me. Nigga, my desk is wet, bro. Larry, come on. No, nigga, it's raining. Okay, my bad. What? Oh, you came as a hall monitor.
No, Kyle, gang. You know I'm a cashier, bro.
Okay.
Why you playing around, bro?
Well, no
My hat is 3 pounds, nigga.
My bad. Okay, can we
The fuck, man?
Can we get his stuff, please? Hold on. It's a
Shit,
one.
what,
It's a one in his name.
I'm finna crash, gang. No, bro.
Hold on.
Bro, my legs hurt. I was not planning on taking a shower today, nigga.
Okay, here.
I'm wet.
Here you go. Here you
The
go.
fuck?
I'm sorry, gang. I'm sorry.
Bro, I need, no. I need answers, Kai. I need answers,
Nigga,
bro.
I don't know.
I was waiting sign.
Bad, gang. I didn't. It's not big enough. Why you have a gun on your hip, gang?
What's up?
What?
No, yeah. Shut up, nigga.
Like
Shut
that?
up. Nah, yeah. We wet. You gonna get wet too, nigga.
Okay, what you
I'm
need?
not playing with you, boy.
Okay, what you need?
Bro, I need everything. Give me something right now. Give me something, bro. Hurry up. Hurry up, nigga.
I tell them where they can watch you at.
Yes, give me something, bro.
Tell them where they can watch you at.
Only Larry King, nigga. Find me. Oh
my God, I think my money got robbed.
Give me something. Nigga. Hurry up. Give me something. I see 100. That's a 50 ball.
Yeah.
Give me. Come
But
on.
I'm gonna give you more than that.
Come on. Hurry up, nigga.
Here's
Hurry
$1.
up.
Oh, no! Yo, okay, chill! Yo, what the fuck?
Shut up, nigga. Told you, nigga. Go on.
You just shot me?
Shut up, nigga. Shut up. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What?
I can expel you right now.
Oh, no, you're right. Okay.
Yes. Get the fuck out of my office. Wait, hold on. I'm a fucking dean.
No, you're
hold on.
no,
I can't expel you right now.
No.
No, confiscate that gun.
Please.
Give me your gun.
It's my only.
Give me your gun. Give me the strap, nigga. Like, get the fuck out of my office, nigga. Get the fuck out of my office before I expel your ass. Get out of my office.
Yo. Did my boy Cudi really not bust down the room and come hurt this man, dog? Bro, we gotta, bro. Nigga gotta clap it up, gang. We got to, bro. And that's the end of this video, bro. Salutes to Cudi, bro. Real talk, gang.